just that size, you know. Alright. Welcome back, guys. Today, I'm here with a new video. I'm sure you can guess what it is. It is an unboxing video. This package, I got another package from Maggie. And I haven't done an unboxing video since the VX7, so I thought I'd unbox it on camera. Package, we'll get right into it, because I'm really excited to open it up, so let's go. So, I have to get a knife, obviously, because you need a knife to open a package, so. Alright, now I have no idea where to open this thing. I'm pretty sure it opens like a book, so I think I'm just gonna go for that idea. Oh! Alright. Oh! These are like my dream bars ever. Fully, I've got two different kinds of wristbands. One green, one black. MGP Action Sports. Established in 2002. Hold up. See if I can get you to read this. No, probably not. Anyway, right there it says established in 2002. 2002 was the year I was born, so mad year meant to be. Okay. We have MGP Pro t-shirt. I'm obviously not on the pro team, but t-shirt right here. Sweet. We have some MGP VX7 Nitro forks. You can't. I'll just open it up for you. Actually, I'll do that at the end. Put that there. The shim that comes with the MGP hourly bars, so because these bars are aluminium, so it's a lot thicker, so it needs a thinner shim. So this is the one that comes with it. Let's put that with the bars. We got 2 sheets of VX7 Nitro grip tape. Heck yeah. We have some wheels. We have a wheel. Oh, this scooter is gonna look so good when I'm done with it. This wheel is gold. Gold wheel. Heck, oh yeah. We have an MGP Flow t-shirt. MGP Flow. Okay, I don't actually know how this opens up, but I think underneath, so I'll just check that out real quick. Okay, slip that. Now what? Ah. Okay, this box is very complicated. I'm gonna have to figure it out. Okay, that's probably not it, but it'll do for now. Aha! Here's the second wheel. Gold as well, so thank God, because I literally thought there was one wheel, which would be very odd, but I did think that. Brand new 2018 tested. No, I'm just kidding. Not the cardboard. We got some stickers. So if you ever see me at a skate park, hit me up and I will hit you up with some stickers. Maybe even a wristband, so hit me up. Here are the Ryan Williams signature MGP bars. It's got Ryan Williams sort of barons in there. Take these out. Hourly barons, meant for the aluminium sort of sized bars. And these are the bars, man. So I reckon in the next video I'll do a scooter build. Won't be this video because it's already gone for long enough. But these are them. I'm really excited to run these. These feel super nice. Like I said again, really excited to run them. Brand new Mad Gear 2018 plastic grip. See-through color. Okay? Just shh. Don't tell nobody. Got a second one here too. Okay. Anyway, here's the shim, like I said. Here they are. For the third time. Ryan Williams. Nice little sticker there. Ryan Williams signature Mad Gear bars. hyped, okay? I hope you can tell, but I'm hyped. Okay, you might not be able to tell, but super hyped. I'm gonna try to slide this plastic off. Okay, sliding hasn't worked, it ended up ripping. Don't mind me. This plastic is stubborn, bro. Promise you, I will not scratch the bars. That would be criminal. I'm done. Not exactly, here's another piece of sticky tape. Anyway, this video has gone on long enough about the R Willy bars, but I'm gonna say it one more time, because you know me. Ryan Williams bars, MGP Action Sports, really keen to run them. They look absolutely sweet. Super light as well, made out of aluminium. This video is gonna end really awkwardly.